Many business proposals fail not because the idea is bad, but because the proposal itself is unclear, too generic, or does not explain the value of the partnership properly. Companies receive many partnership requests, and if your proposal does not quickly explain the benefits, professionalism, and purpose of the collaboration, it can easily be ignored. A strong business partnership proposal should clearly show how both businesses can benefit and why the partnership makes sense long term. A business partnership proposal is a formal business letter used to suggest a professional collaboration between two companies or organizations. It explains the purpose of the partnership, the services or benefits being offered, and the potential advantages for both parties. Today, we're going to break down a professional business partnership proposal step by step so you understand exactly how to write one clearly, professionally, and convincingly. Sender information. At the top of the document, we have the sender's full name, job title, company name, address, email address, and phone number. This section is important because it identifies who is sending the proposal and which business they represent. In professional business communication, clear company and contact information helps establish credibility and professionalism immediately. Date. Next comes the date, which in this example is May 25th, 2026. The date is important because it documents when the proposal was formally submitted. This helps keep business records organized and professional. Recipient information. Next, we have the recipient's information, including the recipient's name, job title, company name, and address. This section shows that the proposal is directed specifically to a particular business representative instead of being sent as a generic message. Always make sure the recipient's information is accurate and professionally written. Subject line. Next comes the subject line, Business Partnership Proposal. This subject line is short, direct, and professional. It immediately tells the recipient the purpose of the letter without confusion. In business communication, clear subject lines are very important because professionals often review many emails and documents daily. Salutation. Then we have the greeting. Dear Ms. Reed. This is a formal and respectful salutation appropriate for professional business communication. Always address the recipient professionally, using their correct title and last name whenever possible. Introduction and purpose of the proposal. Now let's move into the opening paragraph. This section introduces the purpose of the letter and explains why the sender is interested in forming a partnership with the recipient's company. A strong opening is important because businesses want to quickly understand why they are being contacted and what potential value the partnership offers. The paragraph says, I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to formally propose a business partnership between BrightPath Digital Solutions and Summit Retail Group. After reviewing your company's strong reputation in the retail industry and commitment to customer satisfaction, I believe there is an excellent opportunity for our organizations to collaborate in a way that benefits both businesses and supports long-term growth. This is a strong introduction because it sounds professional, respectful, and focused on mutual benefit rather than sounding overly aggressive or sales-focused. Company background and expertise. Next, the sender explains information about their business and services. This section is important because the recipient needs to understand what the company does and why they are qualified for the proposed partnership. The paragraph reads, BrightPath Digital Solutions specializes in digital marketing strategies, online brand development, and customer engagement solutions for growing businesses. Over the past 5 years, we have helped several regional companies strengthen their online presence, improve customer interaction, and increase digital sales performance. Our team focuses on practical marketing strategies designed to produce measurable results while maintaining strong relationships with clients and customers. This paragraph works well because it highlights experience, expertise, and business value clearly and professionally. Partnership, opportunity, and mutual benefits. Now let's move into the next body paragraph. This section explains how the partnership could benefit both companies. This is one of the most important parts of the proposal because businesses want to understand exactly how the collaboration helps them. The paragraph says, "We believe that combining our digital marketing expertise with Summit Retail Group's established retail operations could create valuable opportunities for expansion and increased market visibility. Through this partnership, we would aim to support your company by developing targeted online campaigns, improving digital customer engagement, and enhancing brand recognition across multiple online platforms." This section is effective because it focuses on collaboration, growth, and mutual advantage rather than only promoting one company. Services offered. Next comes the services section. In business proposals, it is important to clearly explain what services, support, or contributions are being offered as part of the partnership. The proposal lists social media marketing and management, digital advertising campaigns, website optimization support, customer engagement strategies, monthly performance reporting, and analytics. This section works well because the services are listed clearly and professionally, making the proposal easy to understand. Long-term goals and partnership expectations. Now let's move into the paragraph discussing long-term goals. This section explains what the sender hopes to achieve through the partnership and emphasizes long-term collaboration. The paragraph reads, "In return, we hope to establish a long-term working relationship that allows both companies to expand their customer reach and strengthen their market position. We are confident that this collaboration would create mutual benefits through increased visibility, stronger customer loyalty, and improved business performance." This paragraph is strong because it highlights stability, shared growth, and mutual success. Request for meeting and flexibility. Next, the sender requests further discussion about the proposal. This section is important because business proposals should encourage professional communication and next steps rather than simply ending without action. The paragraph says, "We would welcome the opportunity to schedule a meeting at your convenience to discuss this proposal further and explore how our organizations can work together effectively. We are also open to customizing our services based on your company's specific goals and operational needs." This works well because it sounds cooperative, flexible, and professional. Closing paragraph. Finally, we have the closing paragraph. This section thanks the recipient for reviewing the proposal and expresses interest in building a professional relationship. The paragraph reads, "Thank you for considering this partnership proposal. I appreciate your time and attention, and I look forward to the possibility of building a successful professional relationship with Summit Retail Group." This creates a respectful and professional ending. Closing and signature. The proposal ends professionally with, "Sincerely." Then the sender includes, "Ryan Brooks, founder and managing director, BrightPath Digital Solutions." Always include your full name, professional title, and company name in business proposals, because this strengthens professionalism and credibility. Before we finish, here are a few important reminders. A strong business partnership proposal should focus on mutual benefits, professionalism, and clear business value. Avoid sounding too aggressive, overly promotional, or unrealistic. Make sure your proposal clearly explains what your company offers, why the partnership makes sense, and how both businesses can benefit from working together. Also, keep the tone professional, respectful, and solution-focused throughout the entire document. And that's how you write a professional business partnership proposal step by step. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more practical writing guides and sample documents. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.